Is your LibreOffice apps not working because of the Merged.lol library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. While we explore the technical guide for Merged.lol library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Merged.lol library, the LibreOffice Merged Library. To optimize performance, this module merges several unmanaged sublibraries into a single file to handle the orchestration of word processing, spreadsheets, and visual presentation manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Because Merged.lol library DLL is required by LibreOffice to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of LibreOffice ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Merged.lol library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A critical reminder, modifying Merged.lol library DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overriding essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Merged.lol library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Merged.lol library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.